What's going on, YouTubers? Matthew Vick, and I got the JoJo Lena with me. And you want to be a hauler, a junk removal guy? Well, I had a subscriber ask me to make a video of the tools that we use. So I'm gonna go over some tools, and if I leave anything out, leave a comment down below of tools that I left out to help these other guys out. Leave a comment down below if I miss anything. And this is the basic tools that you guys will need. So I'm gonna start with just the basics. What you guys are gonna need is some trash cans. You'll get trash cans from jobs, and just collect the trash cans, put them in your backyard. You can never get enough trash cans, guys. So trash cans are a must. Two kind of dollies you guys wanna have. You guys wanna have one of these 4-wheel dollies right here, for the big items, heavy ones that you can't get with a regular dolly. And you guys also want to get a dolly like this. Let's get into this. Here, JoJo, film this real quick. Let me turn this camera around real quick. Let's see. Oh, sorry about that, I had to turn the camera around. So you guys want to get a dolly like this. A regular dolly. A must to have is a snow shovel, guys. Snow shovels to sweep up. Great tool to have. Must have a broom, a push broom, not a regular broom, push broom. Also, you guys want to have a rake. You guys gotta rake stuff up. You guys can use normal shovels. I don't mess with dirt or rock, so I don't really use the normal shovels. But my favorite tool that I like to use, guys, is going to be these bad boys right here. Just to beat the shit out of stuff. I don't get the really long ones. These are the kind of sledgehammers I use, small ones. They work great. Guys use these little bars too. I don't really use it that much, but let me go inside the truck real quick, show you what else you guys can use. This is just the basic tools. 99% of the time, only thing I use is a dolly, push broom, snow shovel, and a sledgehammer. That's it, but these are other tools you need for jobs. So let's go over that. Gloves. Need gloves. Must get gloves. Gloves, eye protection. Chainsaws. You don't have to have a chainsaw, but these are just good to have. This one ain't gas, this is battery operated, so it don't leak in the car. Now let's talk about cutting up hot tubs. What you guys want when you're cutting up hot tubs? Extension cords. Get a Sawzall. So we got Sawzall here, Milwaukee Sawzall. We use. Gotta check the electricity. So we got the death wand. Get something to check the electricity, make sure it's not hot, and you guys get electrocuted. And then the blades that we use, you guys can see these are all torn up. I got a new one inside the truck. Let me grab that new one for you guys. For hot tubs, I'll show you guys the blade I use. Cuts right through them like butter. It is the Axe Carbide teeth. I said it right?
Carbide.
Carbide teeth. Get the long one, guys. A long one. That's what you guys want. So that's what you guys want too. And what else do we need? Sledgehammer, that. You guys want to have extension cords. Bolt cutters, especially for the hot tubs. Got the hoses. Cut right through the hoses, makes it easy. You guys want bungee cords. Bungee cords, when you guys are strapping your tarps down. Make sure you guys got bungee cords. And have some tarps. if you guys got just a regular trailer like this, make sure you guys have some tarps in the truck. And I'll tell you what not to get, guys. What dolly not to get is, don't grab the Harbor Freight cheap ass dolly like I got in here. Don't get me wrong, guys. I probably made over 100K with this dolly right here, but it's more work. It's a little ass, I was being cheap, look at that. A little ridiculous showing the jobs, but you know what? It made me a lot of money. So, oh yeah. You guys want plenty of straps. Ratchet straps are the ones you guys want. It's a mess right now, but hey, I cleaned it up. And for doing like debris and green waste, a pitchfork, guys. Make sure you guys got a pitchfork. And you could use a wheelbarrow. I barely ever use wheelbarrows ever. I don't like messing with concrete or dirt. Let this car drive by real quick. So I don't mess with wheelbarrows. What we do is we got trash cans that have wheels. This one don't have wheels. But what you can always do is just use your dolly. Just use your dolly. Make it easy. Just haul stuff back to the car. And that's basically really all you need besides safety gear. Like, I don't use garbage bags. These are shitty, don't buy these, guys. I use regular eye protection. But oh yeah, something you guys must want to get, especially you guys are doing like hoarder houses, nasty houses, that's rat shit, or cutting up hot tubs. You guys definitely want to get these. They're $49 at your local Home Depot. Yeah, you guys don't want to be breathing all that shit, so grab some of these masks and you guys will be good. And then I rarely ever move anything for any customers, but if I ever move something that needs to go to donation center or something like that and it's glass, you might want to grab a couple of these. You don't have to have them, but moving blankets. And I think that's pretty much almost it. If you got a trailer, make sure you guys have tarps, plenty of bungee cords. Get the ratchet straps. Bungee cords are good to have too. But that's pretty much it, guys. So the basic things you guys want: push broom, shovel, as many trash cans as possible. Keep them at your house if you don't want to have them in the back of your truck. Dolly, floor dolly, chainsaw. You don't need a chainsaw, but it's just good to have. You don't need it. And then the Sawzall. And you could use get a drill. Drills are alright to have. I barely ever use a drill, really. We just tear shit up. If we're doing junk removal, we ain't playing. We ain't like hauling stuff nice. We just like to throw shit in the back of the truck and trailer and just get the hell out of there. So that's a plus about junk removal, is you ain't got to worry about the items unless you're donating them. So that's what makes it so easy. You can go to a job. We fill this thing up in 20 minutes, no problem. So that's the cool part about junk removal, is you show up to a job and in 20 minutes you're making great cash. So that's what you guys need. And if you ain't got a truck or a trailer, if you ain't got a trailer yet, I would say to get a dump trailer, but make sure you guys got the right vehicle that can haul the dump trailer. And that's basically all the tools you guys will need. So if I left anything out, leave a comment down below for the new guys, but that's about it. I'm Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and those are the tools that we use on the daily, guys. And a lot of these tools you will get at jobs. Got this from a job. Got this from a job. Got this rake from a job. Got the other trash can from a job. So you don't need a whole lot. But basically you just have something to break down items like the sledgehammer, so you guys can feel more in your trailer. Make sure you guys have tarps and bungee cords and ratchet straps. Ratchet straps are the best. And that's it. Push broom. Like, I can get away with just bringing a dolly, a push broom, a shovel, and a sledgehammer, and I can work for a month and don't have to trip off it. But everything else is just extra. You don't need it. You don't need a chainsaw. Well, you need a Sawzall, but that's basically it. So leave a comment down below where you guys are from, so I know where all the subscribers are at. And yeah, I'm Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and those are the tools of the trade that we use, guys, on the daily. So hit that like and subscribe button.